Our next video will be about subtraction of polynomials. Now, to subtract polynomials, we'll just change the second polynomial or the subtrahend into its additive inverse. And after that, we're going to proceed to addition. Let's have some examples. Example number 1, 3x squared plus 1 minus x cubed plus x squared minus 4. Now the process will be you're going to change the sign of the subtrahend, or you're going to have the additive inverse of the second polynomial. So this will be equal to 3x squared plus 1. Then you're going to change this one to its additive inverse. So this is x cubed, so this will become negative x cubed. Then this is x squared, so this will become negative x squared. Then this is negative 4, so this will become plus 4. Or others will say that in this process we're going to distribute the sign. So the negative sign will be distributed to each of the terms of the subtrahend. So this will become negative x cubed, the negative times x squared is negative x squared, negative times negative 4 is positive 4. Then after having that one, we're going to proceed to addition. So in addition, we're going to combine similar terms. So we're going to combine here 3x squared and negative x squared, then 1 and 4, and we have here negative x cubed. So first will be the highest exponents. We're going to write first negative x cubed, then plus 3x squared, and negative x squared, so we're going to have minus x squared, then plus 1, then plus 4. So this is negative x cubed, then 3x squared minus x squared is 2x squared, so plus 2x squared, then 1 plus 4 is 5, so plus 5. Example number 2, 10y squared minus 8y plus 9 minus the quantity of 3y squared plus 4y plus 3. So this is the same as 10y squared minus 8y plus 9. Then having the additive inverse or changing the sign of the subtrahend, you're going to have negative 3y squared. Then this is positive 4y, it will be changed to negative 4y. This is positive 3, it will be changed to negative 3. Then combining like terms, we're going to have 10y squared minus 3y squared. Then we have negative 8y minus 4y. Then 9. Then minus 3. So 10y squared minus 3y squared is 7y squared. Negative 8y minus 4y, that will be negative 12y. And 9 minus 3 is simply 6, so plus 6. Example number 3. 18a cubed minus 12b squared plus 3c minus the quantity of 7a cubed plus 13b squared minus 7c. So in here, this is equivalent to 18a cubed minus 12b squared plus 3c. Then we're changing the signs of the subtrahend or having its additive inverse. This is 7a cubed, this will become negative 7a cubed, its additive inverse. 13b squared, this will become negative 13b squared. And negative 7c, its additive inverse will be positive 7c. Then combining like terms, we have here 18a cubed minus 7a cubed, then negative 12b squared, then minus 13b squared, then 3c plus 7c. 18a cubed minus 7a cubed, that will be 11a cubed. Negative 12b squared minus 13b squared, so we're going to have here negative 25b squared. And 3c plus 7c is 10c, so plus 10c. I hope this video helped you. Thank you and goodbye.